Ni hao, and amazed to see you guys again. Good evening, Pucca Digifans. Tonight, we're finally gonna draw Pucca and Garu from Pucca Love Recipe. Two of the strongest heroes that have successfully debuted on Netflix. See, Garu is a ninja who trains hard in martial arts to protect his village from destruction. And Pucca, she's the niece of a three magic chefs who work at this Japanese restaurant. And well, Pucca is in love with Garu. And well, her love for him is so strong. She's got ultra instinct. Interesting, huh?
Uptone Remix.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those tricks were fast as lightning. And this was a little bit frightening. But they fought with expert timing. So a funky Chinaman from funky Chinatown. They were chopping them up. They were chopping them down. An ancient Chinese.
For some reason, I feel like these two are destined to protect their home, known as Soga Island, from the forces of darkness. The restaurant they worked at is named Go Wrong. Well, there and they go to this martial arts studio where they train hard and battle against terrifying enemies. Well, they save their village from pirates, thieves, ninjas, and of course, against their rival restaurants that they don't even notice. Nothing can defeat the power of love. As long as Garu and Pucca are there, they will always prevail and stop those who are dark and black. Well, Pucca, Garu, if you're watching this, I hope you enjoy this. Stay well with each other. You two are gonna be just fine. And one days, You'll master the infinite energy of autonomous Ultra Instinct.